ISKCON Bhagwat Mahavidyalaya is pleased to offer a full-fledged diploma course on Sri Harinamamrta Vyakaranam. Any emotion that is to be conveyed is expressed through a language which in Sanskrit is denoted by the word bhasha. Amongst all the languages, Sanskrit is a matrabhasha is equal to mother language. Sanskrit is an integral part of the scriptures, rather, it is a gateway to the scripture. Sanskrit is considered to be one of the 6 limbs of the Vedas, technically known as Shadvedangas. It has gained great relevance in Gaudiya Vaishnav Sampradaya, and the works of literature are mostly penned in Sanskrit. Amongst the renowned 6 Goswamis of Vrindavan, Srila Jiva Gosvami initiated the culture of studying Sanskrit grammar amongst the Vaishnavas. He scrutinizingly studied an astounding number of grammatical treatises like Panini's Ashtadhyayi, Katantra Vyakaranam, Mugbodh Vyakaranam, Saraswat Vyakaranam, etc. But having observed the complexities in these systems, he collected the essential teachings from them and put them together in a clear, precise and Krishna-conscious way, thus giving shape to Sri Harinamamrta Vyakaranam. Therefore, Jiva Goswami's grammar excels all other systems of grammars both in its grammatical content and its spiritual value. This course offers an in-depth study of Sri Harinamamrta Vyakaranam adopting the sūtra-by-sūtra style, thereby enabling the students to read, understand and even translate the Sanskrit texts, including the scriptural verses and the commentaries of various acaryas. We welcome all to take this wonderful opportunity to learn the Dev Bhasha, language of the demigods, is equal to Sanskrit through the teachings of Sri Jiva Goswami, and thus get empowered to dive deeply into the intricacies of the Gaudiya Vaishnav literatures. For registration, visit our website www.ibmedu.org or download our app.